Hi, today I'm for review Motorola Moto E6S and I'll show you how to remove home screen widgets on this device. So first let's hold for a while our device home screen, and after that we'll see here the widgets icon. Just click here, and just after that we'll see all the available applications what widgets we can add. For example, let's use the calendar widget. Here we can see the full month here or the schedule. Just to add the widget, we should hold it and just drag it to our screen. We can create a new screens also, and just to move our widget between the screens, that's not a problem. So just after the adding, we can resize it, just hold it for a while, and after that we can make it bigger or smaller. And by the same way, just if you want to move it after the adding, you can make it. And to remove the widget from the home screen, you should hold it and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.